The developer of a smash hit is now. The 3 arcade versions included here: Mooncresta, Crazy Climber, Frisky Tom, all developed by Nichibutsu subcontractor Jiruten behind Noriki and I. Because they developed arcade games, later used in Sega SG-1000 and Pyuta, they saw the video display chip and dismissed the home console market. They missed the Famicom boom. Later came a wave of industry consolidation. Many companies left the game business or went bankrupt. Nichibutsu also ceased operations and dissolved.
Savvy-tailed.
If they had entered the Famicom market then and become a game-focused company, what would have happened? Maybe Noriki and I never existed. Considering the company still survives, maybe it was right after all. Ultra simple type. Angel Uncle's Flower Water. June, 30% dilution today. Depending on weather and temperature, the dilution ratio must be adjusted. The sunlight is mild today, so leave it in the sun. Add more coats checking every hour. How does it look? About 6 hours this time. IPI. Lubricant protecting the gold plating. Very gently at ultra low speed. Magic powder, gently pump it.
Oh, give more tea.
2216 volts. Soldering iron. Whoa 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 whoa. Why are you throwing that away? Something this important. Desoldering pump. Wobble 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 wobble, pop. Match the polarity. This happens if you get it wrong. Solder wire. Zombie fluid. Replaced it with a new one, also called UV solder resist, also called UV solder ink. The one I used before let light in. So I switched to a black container. Gen Z tears. Too much. Apply as thinly as possible. Ejuine light.
Catch coach.
Magic potion. Rust prevention. $19.95. Slows yellowing. Silicone coating. Off you go to the future.
Bye, Bunshin.